iPhone 13. Yo! Hey, so gang, I want to show y'all boys something real quick before I broke this down, because I showed y'all the tool that I bought from my riders earlier. This is the magnet. Well, I was just gonna show you, but this damn stupid magnet wanna be stupid. Why you so far back? So long story short, this is a clutch spring tool, and I'm very tired, so my words ain't here with me, gang. I just really want to get this over with. I had to cut this off because it was basically in the way of the motor. So if you do want to get y'all LS done and you want to get it done quick, this was a pain in the ass. So I modified it. The way I put my spring on, I got the actual bottom piece, the bolt. I got a socket. I shaved the socket down to where I could put this in like that, and I just stabbed it right on the in the valve retainer spot, so it'll bite down and level out. The way that it's made is gonna bite down for me and level it out. But before you do that, make sure you pull your valve up all the way. That way, when you do bite down on it, should be good to go. Take a little time away, handy dandy drill. Come get in close on this, baby, so they can see this right here. So the valve is on the inside. We're putting the retainers in. So you want to line everything up. See how it's get all misconstrued. You ain't gonna lie, gang, this one here, pain in the ass. But it can be done. Never said it was gonna be easy. Dang, and I just messed up. Y'all see how the actual valve went down? See, you see how these valves go up and down? When the valve go down, I ain't gonna be able to pick it up, so I gotta come back up with it all the way off, and that's what I've been doing all night, man. So I'm almost done though. I got the other side 100%, so I had to pull it back off just to pull that valve back up and try again. So for now, that's what I'm up against, y'all. Y'all gonna see the finished product when I'm done. I got a nice Texas Speed cam. That way when I get back in the GTO, I have some type of chopping going on, and I'll be able to bust Jerry ass. I'm gonna pull up on Jerry for sure. See Jerry building that truck, and he thinking I forgot, so he called me out. So for sure putting this thing together for Jerry, because Jerry gotta see me. You feel me? And anybody else with an LS1, they're gonna have to see me. See how that valve pop through like that? That's how you want it. But I know that, yeah, my drill, I still can get a little more ooga doogas out of it. So watch this. Look at that. That's gonna guarantee the retainers go right on in there. I just gotta line up. You kind of want to line it up, give it a perfect little circle, like that there. And drop them babies in. That strag ass done woke up.